Hite makes PC parts like cases, cables, and cooling gear, and they even show them off at CES. Their water cooler has a thick aluminum radiator with 2 big fans and a pump which pushes liquid through the loop. For more, a 5-inch screen adds custom display options. Next device looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. It's big and a bit heavy, with a plastic cuff that wraps around your forearm. It connects to your phone via Bluetooth to make calls, play audio, and show notifications. You don't need expensive cameras for great photos. The Mimi slips in your pocket and works with lenses from 100mm to 1000mm. It's a small mirrorless camera with a 12-megapixel Sony sensor, shoots 4K video. You can even shoot infrared photos. Spending long hours at your computer can harm your neck and shoulders, but the Flex Stand Pro is here to help. Its electric lift adjusts your screen between 4 to 6 inches. It adds USB ports, power delivery for devices, and soft adjustable lighting. A Suizo Kaze is a handy all-in-one for storing and reading memory cards. Its aluminum body with silicone protects against dust and splashes. It holds 4 SD, 12 micro SD, and 4 nano SIM cards, plus small extras, and connects via USB-C with a USB-A adapter included. Inspired by jet engines, Tello Zet by Morning Arts looks like it came from the Portal game. It uses 2 internal fans to push air across a room. The brushless motor stays cool and quiet, running on just 36 watts while reaching 65 feet. At just 2 pounds, this gadget feels light, but you can get serious strength training with it. Originally made for space exercise, it has steel parts and snap-on resistance packs, 25 to 40 pounds per hand. You can work out your arms, chest, back, and legs. I'm a father of 2, and I know how hard it is to deal with babies, especially in the first months. Graco SmartSense is here to change all that. It responds automatically when your little one cries, using motion, gentle vibration, and soft sounds to calm them. We all agree that barbecue parties are fun, but gas grills can be risky if you forget to turn them off. No Worries makes a simple timer that shuts off gas automatically after 10 to 60 minutes. This one has logged over 1,000 hours in VR and wanted a more realistic experience. Instead of buying an expensive, complicated suit, he built his own. The TrueGear ME translates in-game actions like gunfire or footsteps into vibrations across the body. This light uses a LED panel to spread light across the space. White, red, and blue modes are available. It's lightweight and easy to clip or strap onto a bike, backpack, or clothing.